No. Nice meeting you, Mario. I've been waiting for you. That's why I put that giant booger in the way. Hamburger. Messed up. Anything you need to say before we fight? I take that as a no, because you're not saying nothing. So now we fight. I start. Take that, Mario. Woo! I made it on the top. You think that's the best you can do? The first man wrecked. Slow-mo. That hurted. Alright, oh damn, I lost my balance. Yeah, sit down for a moment. You might want this time, Mario, but I trust you. And mark my words, I meant that I'll get you the next time. Okay. Now, what was my line next? Oh yeah. I had a burger. I think I'll eat it. Good. Game over. Do. Ooh, that's a good party. I do. Cause I'm a party animal. You know what a party animal is? Guys, hello, guys, hello. Party animal. Sure. What? Mario's, right outside your castle. Yeah. Man, You forget everything. Are you sure? I guess so. I can't remember. How about I'll check. Alright. There. You see it, boss? What is that? That's Mario. Really? I can't see you well. It's because I'm zooming in. Oh, can you zoom in more? Damn, it looks like a Black Widow to me. Well, actually, it looks like a dark spot. Looks like a UFO landed. Yeah, who goes for UFO? Me. That's 10. Oh well. Hey, you see something red up there too. That's Mario. Yep, it is. Go back and zoom. Normal. And it's a good thing we put that hamburger over there. It does not look like a hamburger. Looks like some car. Well, he might crash in it soon. That's good then. Alright. See ya. Why see ya? I don't know. I mean, to you, boss. Yeah, huh. Well, alright. See ya. Oh, that's great. Ah! Okay. That's great. That still hurts so much. Ow. That's all, folks. That's all, folks. The end. Duh. That's what it means. Duh.